You want to step up? Hi. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you being a good girl? You are? Well, that's good. You're funny. Can you say anything else for us? Do you want to say hello? Or do you want to tell us that you're a pretty bird? Or can you say good birdie? Or can you say, where's Scooty? Where's Scooty? Scooty. You're funny. Yes, you are. Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? I love you. Can you say I love you? No, not step up. Say I love you. Can you say I love you? Scooter. Say I love you. No? Yeah, you're a smart bird, aren't you? Absolutely, yeah. What are you doing? Huh? Come here. Come here. Come see me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, come here. Come on, come here. Come here. Come. I know you can't move around very well in that. We need to get you a real play stand, huh? Yeah. Do you want to say bye, Scooter? Can you say bye? Bye. Bye, baby. I love you. Bye.